The universe was supposed to make sense. Gravity pulls, galaxies form, time moves forward. That was the plan. But now, something is breaking the rules. Across the vast darkness of space, astronomers are seeing galaxies moving in impossible ways. Clusters drifting faster than physics allows, light bending where nothing should exist. It's as if the universe is being pulled by an invisible force, or worse, as if reality itself is cracking. For decades, scientists believed they understood the cosmic blueprint. The Big Bang, expansion, order emerging from chaos. But new observations are whispering a terrifying possibility. The universe is not behaving like it should. Some galaxies are spinning too fast to stay together. Others are being dragged toward empty regions of space. And massive structures are forming where no matter should exist at all. Something unseen is shaping the cosmos. Something powerful. Something we cannot touch, cannot see, cannot explain. And if the current theories are wrong, then everything we know about space, time, and existence may be wrong too. Because the more we look into the depths of the universe, the clearer it becomes. We are missing most of reality. And whatever we're missing controls everything. It started as a mistake. Astronomers weighed galaxies, and the numbers didn't add up. Stars were moving far too fast. Galaxies should have flown apart. But they didn't. Something was holding them together. An invisible glue. Scientists called it dark matter. Not dark because it's evil. Dark because it doesn't interact with light. It cannot be seen. Yet it makes up nearly 85% of all matter in the universe. Without it, galaxies wouldn't exist. Stars wouldn't form. Neither would we. Using powerful telescopes and gravitational lensing, researchers watched light bend around massive invisible structures. Proof that something enormous was there, even though nothing could be observed. Teams working with agencies like NASA mapped entire regions of space where gravity existed without visible matter, floating skeletons of the cosmos. But then came something even stranger. Dark matter wasn't evenly spread. It formed vast rivers and clumps, shaping the universe like a hidden hand molding clay. And in some areas, it behaved in ways no current physics could explain. Moving separately from normal matter, passing through galaxies like ghosts, suggesting the universe isn't just made of what we see, but dominated by something completely alien. Now imagine this invisible force shifting. Dark matter controls how galaxies move, how stars are born, how space itself is structured. If its behavior changes, everything changes. Galaxies could rip apart, star systems could destabilize, entire cosmic neighborhoods could collapse into darkness. Some simulations show horrifying scenarios. Massive voids expanding, swallowing clusters of galaxies, gravitational waves tearing through space like cosmic earthquakes, regions of the universe becoming completely uninhabitable. But the scariest possibility? What if dark matter is slowly evolving? Not stable, not permanent. If it decays or transforms over billions of years, the universe we rely on may be temporary. The night sky could look completely different in the distant future. Stars drifting away, galaxies unraveling, light fading into endless cold darkness. Civilizations, no matter how advanced, would face extinction as cosmic structures fall apart. Not from explosions, not from aliens, but from the slow, silent collapse of reality itself. A universe quietly breaking, piece by piece. After decades of searching, we still don't know what dark matter is. It could be exotic particles never observed before. It could be evidence of hidden dimensions. It could mean gravity itself works differently on cosmic scales. Or something even stranger. Some physicists now question the foundations of reality. What if space isn't empty? What if unseen structures dominate existence? What if the universe we experience is only the visible surface of a much deeper cosmic ocean? Every new telescope reveals more anomalies, more contradictions, more things that shouldn't exist, but do. The truth is unsettling. Humanity understands only 5% of the universe. 95% remains invisible and unknown. We are cosmic toddlers, trying to decode a reality far bigger than our minds evolved to comprehend. And the more we discover, the more obvious it becomes. The universe isn't broken. Our understanding is. Something isn't wrong with the cosmos. Something is missing from our picture of it. And when we finally uncover what truly controls reality, it may completely change what it means to exist. Because the universe isn't just stranger than we imagine. It's stranger than we can imagine, and we are only beginning to wake up inside it. The deeper scientists dig, the stranger the universe becomes. Dark matter was only the beginning. Now researchers are discovering cosmic behaviors that don't fit any existing model. Galaxies align across billions of light years, as if responding to invisible instructions. Massive structures form in repeating patterns, too organized to be random. It looks less like chaos, more like a hidden design. Some physicists propose the universe may function like a vast cosmic network, a web of energy, matter, and unknown forces exchanging information across space. Not just gravity, not just particles, but something closer to a system, almost like a living structure. Quantum experiments have already shown that particles can influence each other instantly across enormous distances. No signal traveling through space, no delay. Reality reacting faster than light allows. If this strange connection operates at the smallest scales, what if it also operates across the universe itself? What if galaxies are not isolated islands drifting in space, but nodes in a massive cosmic organism? Some theories suggest space-time may be woven from microscopic quantum threads, vibrating and shifting beneath everything we observe. Others propose hidden dimensions shaping gravity from outside our universe. And a few radical thinkers ask something even more unsettling. What if the universe is not purely physical? What if space is closer to a projection, a reality emerging from deeper informational layers beyond human perception? Suddenly, dark matter may not be a mysterious substance at all. It may be a shadow, a side effect of deeper forces leaking into our visible universe, like ripples on the surface of an ocean revealing powerful currents below. The more advanced our instruments become, the more reality appears layered, not simple, not mechanical, but structured in ways eerily similar to complex systems like brains, ecosystems, and digital networks, which raises a chilling possibility. Maybe the universe isn't just expanding. Maybe it's evolving, learning, changing according to laws we've barely begun to glimpse. And if that's true, humanity is not merely observing the cosmos. We are inside something far larger than a physical machine. We may be living within a dynamic, interconnected reality that behaves more like a process than an object. A universe with rules far deeper than space and time. And we are only now discovering the surface. Every major discovery in history has shattered what humans thought was reality. The Earth was not the center of the universe. Time was not absolute. Space was not empty. Each truth arrived like a shockwave. And now another one is coming. The realization that most of existence is invisible. That forces beyond matter shape everything. That reality may be far stranger than a collection of stars and planets. Humanity stands at the edge of a transformation in understanding. New telescopes peer deeper into space than ever before. Particle accelerators smash matter into energies unseen since the birth of the cosmos. Artificial intelligence detects patterns humans would never notice. And with every breakthrough, the same message returns. The universe is not simple. It is layered, hidden, mysterious beyond imagination. What we once called empty space now boils with quantum activity. What we once called nothing now bends light and controls galaxies. The more we learn, the clearer it becomes. Reality is not what our senses evolved to perceive. We are adapted for survival, not for cosmic truth. Our eyes see only a tiny fraction of light. Our brains simplify a universe too complex to process fully. We experience a filtered version of existence, a small window into something far greater. And that may be the most haunting discovery of all, because it suggests the universe was never meant to be easily understood. It is vast beyond comprehension, deep beyond measurement, strange beyond intuition. Perhaps there is no final theory, no ultimate equation, only deeper layers waiting to be uncovered forever. Or perhaps one day humanity will uncover the mechanism beneath it all and realize reality itself is something closer to a simulation, a field of consciousness, or a structure beyond physical form. Whatever the truth turns out to be, one thing is certain. The universe is not finished surprising us. And what feels wrong today may simply be the moment before a revelation that changes everything. We are explorers standing on the shore of an infinite cosmic ocean, seeing only the waves, while unimaginable depths stretch beneath. The universe is not broken. It is far deeper than we ever dreamed, and the journey to understand it has only just begun.